Well, it's that time of the year to clean that carpet. So today we're going to check out this Bissell carpet cleaner and try to answer the question of whether it is worth buying or renting. This is the carpet in our main living room. It's the carpet where people tend to roll in with their shoes on. Between 3 kids and the poodle, it tends to get heavily trafficked. You can see a little bit over here what it's supposed to look like. And then this part is normally under the couch, so I pulled it out. It's much cleaner than over here. We're going to see if this bad boy can clean it up. So let's see what we're working with here. This is the Bissell Big Green. You put in hot water. I've got the Bissell OxyClean Dealy liquid stuff. So let's see how this thing can do. And away we go. Once you have your hot water and your cleaning solution in the machine, go ahead and push the green lever, get that handle down, and begin to clean. Now, it's a 2-step process. You do shampoo forward and back, and then dry forward and back, and repeat that until you're done with your entire carpet. Now, one thing to notice here, I'm working on a shag carpet, which is quite the workout because the brushes on the bottom have quite a bit of friction. I also did 3 other carpets with smaller pile, and they were much easier. Carpet will be a little damp when you're done, so I ran a fan for a few hours. One issue that you'll see is that the carpet tends to think that it's a cat, and it will pull up carpet fibers and make little hairballs, so you have to clean those up here and there or clean the brushes on the bottom. Overall, we are very pleased with the result. Now, it's not that easy to see on the camera, but it has really brightened up the carpet, and given the nasty, dirty water that's coming out of the machine when you pour it out, when you're cleaning it at the end, you can definitely see it's pulling a lot of dirt. In fact, it kind of gives me an idea. Perhaps I should use this on the poodle. Now, let me know what you think in the comments. Is there a better way to clean your carpet? Do you have another thing that you recommend? Be sure to like this video if it was helpful. Check out the links in the description if you want to give this Bissell Green Machine a try for yourself. I rented mine at Lowe's. You can find it at other stores where you can rent it as well. This is Jason for Poodle Dad. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I will catch you in the next one.